Hi, are you a microendodontist? If yes, then this video is for you. I am Dr. Ajay Singh, professor in the Department of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics, Shah Dental College. And I am here to share with you a solution to a very common but a very annoying problem working under microscope, especially under higher magnifications. Now come, let's understand it better. Being microendodontist, we all have experienced that as we go up to the high magnification, the trembling of the hand or the shaking of the hand of the operator becomes quite evident and quite troublesome, especially at the higher magnification such as 1.6 or 2.5, as you can see clearly in these images. The stabilization of the mirror becomes very crucial while we are performing the procedures like root perforation repair or the instrument retrieval. So these are the times when we just wish we could just stabilize the hand or stabilize our view. This idea actually inspired me to design a different kind of a concept mirror which not only stabilizes the view but stabilizes the view at all magnification, at all angles. I have named this concept mirror a FLEXICLIP mirror because it comes with a unique design of a flexible handle which can be bent at any angle and just be left there totally stabilized. It also comes with a bright LED light which can be recharged with any Type-C USB charger, and it comes with a clip which helps it to clip it to any kind of rubber dam frame. Now let's have a comparison of this FLEXICLIP mirror with the conventional mirror. By comparing these two mirrors, we can clearly see that the FLEXICLIP mirror provides a better stabilized view at all magnifications, be it higher magnifications. Now let's have a look how this concept mirror is applied clinically. Let's see what the experts have to say about this concept.
The concept of FLEXICLIP is quite new and innovative. It resolves the issue of stabilizing the mirror when we work under the magnification. The design is to be explored more for the improvisation which we can suggest so that it will be better for the future use. But I wish all the very best to Dr. Ajay.
A unique concept, a revolution, I must say. If you're looking for stable hands and stable view when you're working under higher magnification, or you're looking to align your long axis of your burr or air rotors, this is the product. It may very soon be a third eye.
It not only provides a clinician to work under a microscope with very high visibility, but at the same time it helps us with better illumination because of its light reflection.
Well, in the end, I would like to tell that I have been granted the design patent from Government of India, and pretty soon we'll be seeing this product in the market with more advancement and more modifications. Thank you for watching.